What's going on YouTube? It's me, Crazyton. So today I'll show you our brand new server. Um, this is Elder Gods server. So here we go. So I didn't know I spawned so many blazes right in this place. I'm just going to kill this. So many blazes. So we put some decorations in the server. I'm the owner, so you know the Crazy Crap server has been closed because we ran out of credits, and I didn't buy any credits, so I make a brand new server. So this place, I will put a warp strike here. Okay, now I think this place will be, I think some mini games or something. Just gonna think right there. So this will be the shops. This place will be shops, and then I don't know why those guys just put this. So now that's the spawn point. Now there you go. So oh yes, this will be the steps. So the rules now I remember. So this will be shop, will be comics in this place, will be rules, and then this will be staffs. Then just put blocks right here, so that's awesome. And then just a tree, and then we spawn something. We just spawn this villager. Oops, sorry. I think I'm just going to, so I just put a water right there. See right there. Just put a water. Then some grass right here. Now this is the warps. Then this thing's still not finished. Then Noel just put something right here. I don't know. I just can't remove it. Okay. See, I can't remove it. See, you will not remove it because you will not break it. I don't know. Let's put a right here, and then this is the spawn. So there's an Enderman's. So you see, that's our welcome message right there. So there you go. That's the welcome message, and then if you do spawn, you will spawn right here. You'll see these things. So put this in the center, then put spawn. Okay, oops, set spawn. So if you wanna join our server, just join. So the IP and the port will be in the description below. We need more builders for the server, and then please donate credits. Yes, just donate credits. The link of the app will be on the description below. So see right there the blazes. Then some trees right here. Then I think that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys subscribe, leave a like, and then thanks for watching. Goodbye.